Today we are going to learn 会. 会 here in front of a verb. It is an auxiliary verb. 会. And 会means after you learn something and you get the skills to do the thing, you can use 会, this auxiliary verb. For example, 游泳. You learn before and you know how to swim. You can say 我会游泳. 我会游泳. You get the skills to swim. Get the skills. After learning, you get skills. You can use 会, this auxiliary verb. Here, 我不会打棒球. 打棒球, play baseball. 不会. 不 negated adverb. 不会。我不会打棒球。不会打棒球。Perhaps you didn't learn how to play baseball. Perhaps you didn't learn before. And perhaps you learned before, but you didn't get the skills how to play baseball. So now you can't play baseball. So in this situation, you can say 我不会打棒球。我不会打棒球。不会。You didn't get the skills. No matter you learn before or not. If you didn't get skills, you can't do this action. You use 不会. 你会不会做饭？会不会 ？Yes, no question. 我会做饭。我会做饭。We use 会 this auxiliary verb to ask. We use this auxiliary verb and verb to answer. 我会做饭。今天下午我们去游泳，好不好？我不会游泳，我们去打球吧。我不会游泳，我们去打球吧。不会，不会游泳。你会做甜点吗？ Yes, no question. The very simple answer, we use auxiliary verb to answer. 会。会，我会做很多种甜点。会，我会做很多种甜点。We use what auxiliary verb? The simple list answer, just use the auxiliary verb to answer. Longer, you can add the verb. 你会做甜点吗？我会做。 The complete answer. 会，我会做很多种甜点。See you. Bye.